I wonder why that. Yeah, it did. You're exactly right. It did malfunction. That's crazy. Let's one. Oh, goodness, Chris. Now see, that fits perfect. See that? Mm-hmm. Do you want to leave the diverter in? Because what happens is this here's what gets wore out, Max. That's gonna work fine there, but we can pull it out of there. Must be a small one. There we go. And it should pull right out. Now that probably would still work with the new one. You see what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. Remember me showing you that right there? Yeah. See how that'll screw right in and it works? See, it's not that gets damaged. It's this right here that gets damaged. See that? Mm-hmm. That's what malfunctions. So I mean, you want to probably hold on to that in case the new one gets messed up in the future. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So do hold on to that. I'm just going to stick that in there just so I can push it down. Wrong thing, Chris. Okay. This was the new one, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Well. Yeah. Alright.